start in the engine compartment because this is what's making all the power. We got some Singer, we got some SkyHigh, we got some SMD. Hell yeah. All right, man, what am I in for? What do you got in this thing?
You know what's going on? 818 Bass from Van Nuys, California. Shout out to Steve Mead. Big props for everything he's been doing. And because of his passion, man, my hobby a passion as well. So we're here in Reno.
I appreciate you, dude. Thank you.
We got 4 FI or Phi BTL 4-inch coils on an NS2 wired at 0.5.
How big are they?
18s.
418s?
4. Because of you. BTLs, the 2019 models, NS2 wired at 0.5, 100 amp hour, limitless lithium, 10 runs of 0 gauge, all the way to the back.
10 runs of 0 gauge?
Yes, sir. Have to.
Let's go look at this shit, man.
Do it.
Man. How that bass life. Covering up the port. Oh, damn. See, now I already know what this is going to sound like.
21 cubes after displacement, a little on the smaller side, but it's a municipal box. Can't warranty it. An MDF, 1.5 inches on the roof.
Oh, see, now you're starting to get serious.
Yes, sir. And you know you gotta have the backup belt gauge.
Yep.
You never fucking know.
Hey, try the green one, man.
I can't find it.
I'm going to help you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Good thing.
I got triple gauge right here.
Oh, we got some more stuff?
Triple runs.
418s. Oh, here we go, man.
This is an ace.
Rockin' runs up with my feet up. If my bitch trippin', I'm leaving down.
That shit is slapping, dude.
Now we spine them.
Nothing even stinks or anything in here either. I mean,
a little underpowered, but yeah, man, appreciate it for stopping by.
Damn, dude.
Yes, sir. Getting it ready for you know what, the wall.
Woo,
maybe
shit.
maybe 14, 15s.
Goddamn,
2
dude.
to 1 ratio, and maybe sell 12K. Big boy.
Hey man, that's just legit slapping. That 22 hertz shit, no joke. Man, I appreciate everything, man. Thanks for the demo. Thanks for running my stuff.
And shout out to all the SMD fans out there. He's a cool ass dude. Fuck the haters, man. He's doing it real. And thank you.
Yes, sir. We're out of here, man. Definitely slapping, man. Definitely slapping. Yeah. Oh shit. We got some more. We got some more beat lined up. What you got in here, man?
I got 2 U-Series 12s on a 2K Sundown amp on a Beckman 370 alt.
Right, did you make those ports? Did you bend those yourself or did you buy them like that?
No, I bought those from Big Ass Port.
Yeah, I was about to say you did a good job if you did make them yourself. They're nice.
Yeah, I couldn't make them that nice.
Yeah, those are real clean, man. Sick as hell, dude. Right on, man. Cool. Oh, we got the SMD terminal cut. It's always nice to see that, man. Hell yeah, dude.
Nothing too special. I got 2 batteries. Heck, man. It's kind of dirty. It's my everyday driver.
Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that, man. This is what it's all about, your daily drivers. You got the baby seat, you got your woofers. I'm the same way, man.
Yeah,
I'm a dad, I know.
She's 40 weeks right now, so I'm surprised she even wanted to come up.
Hey, that's good though, man. It's good family time. What you got here? Of course, we got the audio control epicenter. Can't do without that ever. Yeah. So Sundown 2K or 4K?
2K.
2K.
Wired 1 ohm.
That pass box.
Yeah, 4th order.
So it's hard to get the woofers moving. What's your name again?
Bobby.
Right on, Bobby. Hey, Mom, thank you very much for the demo and keep bumping that shit, man. Sounds good. Sounds nice, man.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Hell yeah. Bad as hell, dude. All right, now this is the one that tore me up last time. Looks a little different. Looks like you might have done some stuff to it.
It's got a couple SMG fuse holders in there.
Yeah, a couple? I saw all that. So what have you done since last time I got a demo to this thing?
Last time, all new fuse blocks, new wiring, new amps, new subs, everything. New DSP, game mesh, phase dial, everything's good to roll.
Because this thing was basically crushed my world last time I heard it. And I think it went into protect last time too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
this time, yeah, they get hot, but you know what? That happens when you're pushing it the way you are. But what do we have back here?
Back here, we got 8 B2 Audio Rampage 15s. They're the 4-inch coils. They got the custom tooled baskets. You know, they're not the top of the line, but they're there. They do what they need to do.
And this appears to be an SPL vehicle because there's no real seats. What kind of numbers does this put up?
61s, 62s.
That's the threshold of pain.
Reliably.
Yep, for sure. Then what do we got here? Some mids and high stuff.
We got the 2 channels, 4 channels. This one's not hooked up right now, so we got one 1000.2 MA from B2. We got a second one. We got one 1000.4 running all of the dash. I got the SMD fusing, obviously.
So Alpine amp. What's the Alpine running?
That's the DSP, so it's got all the crossovers, game matches, you know, DD slopes, everything.
Sick as hell. Let's look at the back.
The back, we
This
got
is
the
crazy
SMD
talk right here.
16 spot, all SkyHigh audio wiring throughout. SMD fusing back here. Also for the amplifiers, you got an 8 spot on your left.
408s, these are running the subs?
408s for the subs, 0.5 ohms each. Signed by Max, Jay, and Andrew. 2 limitless lithium G50s.
Got the Limitless.
This beautiful masterpiece right here.
Looks great, man. I love it.
Back of the truck is the showstopper.
Well, let's hear this damn thing. Hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. All right, so what happened to this speaker?
I Slamology 2 years ago, blew out. There's a lot of pressure down there.
Yeah.
All the dash speakers are intact for now, knock on wood.
Shit. Now,
So there's 4 10s in the dash, 4 8s in the dash, 8 compression tweeters, all from B2 Audio. Max from Italy flew over here and surprised me with this for the Slamology 2018 debut. It was a good time.
Relax, you're about to get rustified.
All I smoke paper. I'm a motherfucking gangsta.
That shit is getting me in the fucking sternum. Yeah, she's a throat choker.
yeah, that's getting me good, man. I'm a little uncomfortable, man. I'm a little uncomfortable. Goddamn, dude. Whew. Tell you what, man. That is, that's getting it.
Yeah, let me play something a little lower for you.
A little lower? All right. Woo, shit.
Like this. I'ma drink this hand. I'ma keep this grand. Yeah.
Rad as hell,
Thank you
dude.
for everything you do for the industry.
Hell no, dude. Thank you. Thank you for running my shit. And everybody else's too. That BT is no joke. That was getting me right here, man. I was close. I was close. Hey man, that shit's out of control. Thank you for the demo, man.
Thank you for everything, Steve.
Good shit, man. Good shit.